flight attendants.
We are leaving Las
To fasten your
Vegas.
seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. To adjust, pull the loose strap, and to release, lift the top of the buckle. The seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your lap. This aircraft has 10 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front and 2-door exits in the rear of the cabin. Quickly pull down on the mouse to start
We
the
can
flow of
see
oxygen.
ATC,
Place the mask over your nose and
Alaska
mouth
Airlines
and adjust
flights,
the zip
United Airlines flights.
by pulling on the elastic tabs. Make sure to adjust your mask on the front or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest.
This
Vest
is
is equipped
Frontier
with
Airlines.
activated light,
This is my
and the
second
location and
Frontier
use
flight,
of flight vests
Frontier
for
flight
small children may be found on the safety
in
information
Australia.
card.
Lifted aircraft airborne. You can see Las Vegas Airport. Terminal building. Strip. Entire city. You can see Trump Tower. Stratosphere. Air runways. So MGM Grand. This is the strip. So area. So W Mandalay Bay. At a stadium, Allegiant Stadium. Landing in Phoenix, Arizona State. Phoenix and Chandler are both twin cities. So I am going to meet my classmates, schoolmates, and my junior, my colleague in training. Let us see if they come and meet me. I am landing in Phoenix now at the moment. You can see the beautiful highways, very planned highways, planned neighborhoods. So all and this is also surrounded by mountains.